Salman, on a more serious note, I just want to tell everyone knows that it is the first film that's coming out of the Salman Khan film stable. So, why is it that you chose Bajrangi Bhaijaan as the film that will really be the flag bearer to this Salman Khan films?
बिकॉज इससे अच्छी कोई स्क्रिप्ट ही नहीं मिली और फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर भी एक बहुत ही सिंसियर एंड बहुत ही जाने माने डायरेक्टर हैं जिनका नाम है कबीर खान. इसके पहले उन्होंने एक हमें फिल्म दी थी जो कि ठीक ठाक चल गई थी, टाइगर. तो इससे बेटर बेट क्या हो सकता है. तो आई थॉट कि सेफ खेलो और अगर होम प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट करना है तो घर से ही शुरू करो. मिनी एंड कबीर आर लाइक फैमिली. तो हमने सोचा कि इससे बेस्ट कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलेगी हमें.
So, सलमान, बजरंगी भाईजान की क्या खास बात है? आप प्लीज हमारे प्रेस को बताइए, and then we're gonna show them what it's really all about. But why is it special for you?
खासियत यह है कि मेरी तरफ बहुत ही सिंपल है बजरंगी भाईजान और बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ही नेक हैं, बिल्कुल मेरी तरह. अरे वाह. 15 साल के तक कोई टेंशन नहीं मुझे. जब तक ये ऑडियंस रहता है ना,
It's all good.
इट्स ऑल गुड.
That's true.
इट्स ऑल गुड, ऑल गुड.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's a guy who I've pretty much crushed on for the last 15, 17 years, Kabir Khan. So Kabir, everyone is waiting for Salman and you to show them the trailer first. बहुत सारे questions हैं, बहुत सारी बातें हैं, which I'm sure they want to know about the film. It's weird, me asking him questions because I already know some of the answers. But this is a good opportunity because whatever I ask him, he has to answer today. Was Salman always Pawan for you in this, when you thought of Bajrangi Bhaijaan?
You know, this is a question that was asked me even when I was making Ekta Tiger, and somebody asked me why Salman, and my answer was, is there another tiger in the industry? So similarly for Bajrangi Bhaijaan also, once you see the film, there is nobody better for this role than Salman. It's basically Salman personified. And that was very evident जब मैंने पहली ये कहानी जो मिस्टर विजेंद्र प्रसाद ने हमें बताई थी, जब मैंने सुनाई सलमान को, we both just fell in love with this story. And it's in some way, this is the way we want to see the world. This is the way we feel the world should be. And that's why it became a very special film for us. And not only did he agree to act in it, I'm producing this film.
आप पवन की रसिका की इस फिल्म में, जैसे कि सलमान ने बोला, he's been your admirer for 15 years. It's the first Salman Khan film's home production, and you're its very first heroine. How does that feel? And how was it playing Rasika?
There are quite a few firsts, especially when it comes to Salman. The first man who saw me in a night dress also was Salman Khan. Woo! When I was 9 years old. Now, plus the fact that I think that when Atul and Baby became a producer for the first time, I was in their first film in Bodyguard. When Arbaz became a director for the first time, I was in Dabang 2 in Fevicol. And now Salman becomes a producer for the first time. I'm his Rasika in the film. And of course, I'm working with Kabir for the first time.
That's right. So there are many, many firsts. How has it been playing, Rasika? It's a character which has a lot of layers, and she's
it's a
pretty
special character.
pure.
We've tried to keep it as real and very unlike, I think, a typical Hindi film heroine, because as you know, Kabir is very, very real as a director. I mean, if you try to wear extra jewelry or a little more accessories, he's like, you're too overdressed for the scene. So I think that we've tried to keep it as real, and I'm really happy and excited about the entire film and to be part of the entire film.
Great. There's a whole lot of fan base out there which is just waiting for your, the trailer to come out so they can see your look in the film and what you're doing in the film, and they finally got to see it. Kabir, A little bit of an introduction to क्यों हंस रहे हैं यार लोग मेरे पे? This is ridiculous. मैं दोबारा नहीं करूँगी ये. मैं कभी भी पूछती हूँ उनसे कुछ, आप हंसते हैं. कबीर, इससे पहले कि मैं बाकी थोड़ी serious questions पूछूं, आप why don't you tell everyone about, I've often heard Kabir say at home that Bajrangi Bhaijaan is the kind of cinema that he's always wanted to make. It's his true, expression of a filmmaker. I know it's true, but can you tell them how?
I mean, there are lots of reasons for it. One is, of course, it's an incredibly warm story about human relationships, but it's set against a very larger than life backdrop. And that's the kind of cinema I've always wanted to, that's the kind of cinema I like watching and I obviously love making, where there's a nice, intimate, warm human relationship story, but set against this very energetic backdrop. And it's also the issue, the politics of the film, the way people behave is something that is very close to my heart and very close to Salman's heart. And that's the reason why I think Bajrangi is the kind of film that we really are really excited to make.
Salman, ये सब जानते हैं that you are not, one just saw in the trailer that there are multiple locations and there are deserts and there are mountains and there are rivers and there's like every possible topographical change in the film. ये सब जानते हैं कि आप you like to shoot around,
Karjat.
Bombay, Karjat, Panvel.
Studio Panvel, Karjat. But he likes to shoot all over the world.
So आप फंस गए basically.
पिछली बार दुनिया के हर कोने के अंदर लेके गए थे. पहले ये डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हुआ करते थे ना, तो इनको ट्रैवलिंग का बड़ा शौक है. अब इस फिल्म में क्योंकि ये इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सके हम लोग, क्योंकि इंडिया बेस्ड फिल्म है एंड ही इज़ अ वेरी रियलिस्टिक फिल्म मेकर, तो इन्होंने हमको पूरा देश दिखाया है इस बार. पूरा देश दिखाया, और देश के भी मतलब कि एकदम अंदर लेके गए हमको. It was a great experience.
But you did it and you did it so like आप पहाड़ भी चढ़े, आप नदी में भी कूदे, and you walked through deserts. So आपकी क्या मतलब, what were you thinking inside? गालियाँ दे रहे थे?
मेरा कार्डियो अच्छा हो गया.
Right. What has been the process of going through, the character of Pawan is very close to you, जैसे कि कबीर ने कहा, it's very similar to what you are in real life. Did you, आपकी कोई internal discoveries भी हुई as the film?
जब हमने first time ये script सुनी थी, तो एक वो greed आता है ना कि ये film किसी और के पास नहीं जाना चाहिए. There is such a beautiful story told कि I don't think that anyone would have been able to tell the story better than Kabir and me. So for you guys, I mean, कोई और बना लेता, बकवास बनती पिक्चर, चलती पिक्चर, लेकिन we thought के एक एहसान कर देते हैं कि इस फिल्म को इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं कि ये फिल्म अब चलना ना चलना वो ऊपर वाले के हाथ में, लेकिन we've given this film our best because we totally believe in this film. ये प्यार मोहब्बत की फिल्म है, सिंपल लोगों की कहानी है, और एक larger than लाइफ के बैकग्राउंड में सेट है. मुझे तो ये ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है कि हम लोग सिर्फ एडिटिंग रूम में फिल्म देखते हैं या ओनली व्हेन यू डबिंग, बट जब इस फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहा था मैं, तो बार बार ये नरेशन सुनाई दे रहा था मुझे. द फर्स्ट टाइम आई हर्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, एंड एवरी टाइम देयर वाज अ शॉट आई वाज नॉर्मल, sound, camera, action, and in the emotional moments, tears used to come out. So usually, I'm talking about me, मैं बड़ी ठोक पीट के काम करता हूँ. Emotional scene में, not to feel that emotion, to put glycerine and to make it work. It looks okay on screen, so इतनी मेहनत क्यों करो? But in this film, I didn't even have to do that. I used to turn around in a shot, and there were tears flowing down my cheeks. And एक्शन में गुस्सा आता था, कॉमेडी में हंसी आती थी, रोमांस में बस रोमांस का ही प्रॉब्लम था बस. रोमांस में अली आते थे, सैफ अली आते थे.
Kareena, we want to ask you to comment on that one. Absolutely. I think Kareena can make her chemistry work with anybody pretty much because they really look really hot in the film. नवाज, आपकी ये सलमान के साथ दूसरी फिल्म है. कबीर के साथ भी दूसरी फिल्म है, आपने न्यूयॉर्क में भी एक किरदार निभाया था. How was it working with the Salman Khan in this film, where you're not really like, playing the other guy, you know?
एक्चुअली किक में तो ज़्यादा क्योंकि बॉम्बे में शूट हो रहा था तो आउटडोर पे जब जाते हैं तो बहुत बॉन्डिंग हो जाती है, तो एक दूसरे के बारे में काफ़ी जानने लगते हैं. तो जैसे मडावा से शुरू हुआ, जयपुर के पास में है मडावा जहाँ से हमने शूटिंग शुरू की, और वहाँ से फिर कश्मीर तक शूटिंग करते गए. तो बहुत मज़ेदार जर्नी थी एक तरह से अगर देखा जाए तो. वो स्क्रीन पे भी पता चलता है. वो जब आप आउटडोर का एक फ़ायदा होता है कि जैसे जैसे आप टाइम निकलता जाता है और ऐसे बॉन्डिंग बनती जाती है आपकी, और वो केमिस्ट्री फिर स्क्रीन पे भी दिखती है. इट वाज फन एक्चुअली टू
What
वर्किंग
kind of a
वो
co-star is
डिपेंड
Salman?
करता है किसके साथ काम कर रहे हो. ये इसका नेगेटिव भी होता है, जैसे जैसे काम करते जाते हो वैसे वैसे और मुश्किल होते जाता है.
उसके लिए भी बढ़ते चली जाती है.
वो आपकी तीसरी फिल्म में देख लेंगे फिर. But I just like to, turn the mic around to Venkatesh. Firstly, Rockline isn't your real name, is it?
Yes, Rockline Venkatesh.
It's a very cool name. I just want to
Thank
tell you that.
Thank you very much.
How has it been, your association with Salman Khan Films? You're one of the co-producers, and what do you want to say to the press about the association?
I'm very happy to be a part of this movie. And really, it's a miracle. It's a miracle to me. Being a co-producer for Salman Khan's film and Kabir Khan's film. Only because of Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
But Junkie is
you.
it.
And I want to thank Mr. Vijay Prasad and Rajesh also in this regard. Thank you very
That's
much.
right. He's a wonderful author of the story, and he's right
Yes.
here. I'd like to give him a warm round of applause. He's
The hero of this film is the script, and Mr. Prasad has written the script.
there. He is, Mr. Vijayendra Prasad,
you.
ladies and gentlemen. He's
It is
A
the finest
veteran.
stories that I've ever heard, ever.
Nandu. What do you think was Eros's motivation to be on board for this film?
Well, all I can say is Eros is very delighted to be part of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Mr. Salman Khan, Mr. Kabir Khan, and Eid can't expect anything bigger and better than this. Expect fireworks this Eid.
And more. And I come to the other gentleman in the pink shirt. Amar, you're the CEO of Salman Khan Films. It's a very proud moment for Salman as a producer, and for you guys. It's been a tough journey for this film. It's gone all over the place. I mean, all over the country, shooting this film. How has it been for you, honestly? Come on, Amar, give it up.
So it's been quite incredible. We had a finishing line in place, which was that we had to come with this film on Eid, and we've had a cast and crew which has worked really hard to make it to this. And we promise you, what you have is a really entertaining film with a lot of heart. And I just want to thank also our partners who are with us on this film. So Eros, of course, and T-Series, who are not here today, but they've been great help along with the cast and crew. And I think we'll have a really entertaining film at hand on Eid.
Salman, you've been, in all your films, the music is the talking point also. I mean, it's always had beautiful music. So, इस film के music में आप हमेशा involve होते हैं हर film के music के साथ. What do you want to say about the music of this film?
इस फिल्म का अभी तो एक्चुअली थैंक यू फॉर रिमाइंडिंग मी कि रमज़ान कल से शुरू हो रहे हैं, तो सबको रमज़ान मुबारक हो. एंड उसके बाद ईद आएगा. जब ईद आएगा तो बजरंगी भाईजान ईद के साथ आएगा, और उसके पहले आपको हमारा म्यूज़िक सुनने को मिलेगा, जो कि हर फिल्म के अंदर बोलते हैं कि बहुत ही अच्छा म्यूज़िक है. एवरी फिल्म दिस म्यूज़िक इज़ आउटस्टैंडिंग, एंड इससे बेटर म्यूज़िक कभी रहा नहीं. परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में भी बोलते हैं, और ये भी बोलते हैं कि लेकिन इस फिल्म में म्यूज़िक बड़ा हटके है. तो जो 15-20 साल के जो इंटरव्यूज़ के अंदर जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस वगैरह किए हैं हम लोगों ने, वो लेके हमेशा से छाप देना चाहिए आप लोगों को.
That's not fair. इस film का music काफी खास है.
खास है.
इस
फिल्म का म्यूज़िक बहुत ही खास है. प्रीतम ने हमको म्यूज़िक दिया है, और एक गाना तो आपने सुन ही लिया है, जो कि आपको सबको बहुत पसंद आया है। ये हमको कैसे पता चलता है कि म्यूज़िक बड़ा हिट हो गया है, क्योंकि भूषण कुमार का एक लुक चेंज हो जाता है। भूषण कुमार खुश होते हैं, हँसते हैं, गाते हैं, उनकी वॉकिंग की स्पीड थोड़ी-सी बढ़ जाती है, थोड़े से और गोरे हो जाते हैं, थोड़ा-सा वेट और पुट ऑन हो जाता है उनका, थोड़े से और दिलदार हो जाते हैं वो। दैट्स हाउ वी गेट टू नो कि म्यूज़िक चल गया है। और फिर जब रिक्शाओं में बजें और नाइट क्लब्स में बजें और फिर टीवी पर बजे और फिर लोग, बच्चे गुनगुनाना शुरू कर दें उसको, देन वी नो दैट द म्यूज़िक इज़ अ बिग हिट। सो ये जो ए ले गाना है, ओ ले, ये तो बहुत बड़ा हिट हो गया यार।